Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by making sure the laptop is ready. Plug in AC power so brightness isn't limited by battery saver. Next, check that Windows and display drivers are current because driver issues block changes. Once done, locate your keyboard's FN plus brightness up/down keys or the specific Acer quick settings key. This gives you immediate manual control. Make these first. Small adjustments now so you can observe screen response before moving to software controls. Now use Windows settings for precise control. Open Settings, go to System then Display and slide brightness to your target. This is the main control. If brightness keeps changing, disable adaptive brightness in advanced power settings because automatic sensors can override you. For panel-specific color and brightness tuning, open your GPU control panel, Intel, AMD, or NVIDIA, and tweak display gamma or brightness there. These steps let you set both perceived brightness and underlying hardware scaling for consistent results. Finish by testing brightness across power plans. Set high performance when plugged in, balanced on battery, and check battery saver behavior. Calibrate color and brightness using Windows Color Calibration or a small third-party utility so whites and blacks look correct at your chosen level. Finally, make sure external monitors or docking stations aren't forcing levels. Troubleshooting tip: if keys or sliders don't work, update or reinstall the keyboard and display drivers, toggle hotkey support in Acer utilities, then reboot. That usually restores control.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.